Welcome to Alukaran Silver, where tradition meets healing. Did you know the silver jewelry you wear can actually support your health and well-being? At Alukaran, we don't just make ornaments, we create tools of wellness crafted with biz hallmarked silver to ensure purity, authenticity, and lasting value. Let's explore the health benefits behind some of our most cherished silver collections. Alukaran Silver Anklets, wellness that moves with you. Our biz hallmarked silver anklets, traditionally worn to stimulate blood circulation, they help reduce swelling, cramps, and fatigue, especially for women who are on their feet all day. The gentle pressure and movement activate vital pressure points, supporting energy flow and even reproductive health. Silver's natural cooling effect calms body heat and soothes the nerves, while its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help prevent skin infections. In Ayurveda, silver balances Vata and Pitta doshas, and when worn near the ground, as anklets are, it promotes grounding, focus, and emotional balance. Alukaran belly chains beauty with purpose. Our biz hallmarked silver belly chains combine elegance with wellness. Traditionally worn around the waist, these chains are believed to help regulate body temperature, ease menstrual discomfort, and support hormonal balance. They gently stimulate acupressure points near the navel, supporting digestion, metabolism, and even organ function like the liver and kidneys. This area connects to the Manipura chakra, the energy center of confidence, willpower, and transformation. Wearing silver here promotes emotional clarity and inner strength, while also protecting the skin with its natural antimicrobial properties. Alukaran Navratna rings, the power of 9 gems. Our biz hallmarked silver Navratna rings are rooted in ancient Vedic astrology. Each ring features 9 precious stones, each linked to a planet. Wearing a Navratna ring is believed to balance planetary energies, reduce negative influences, and promote mental clarity, emotional stability, and spiritual protection. It's more than a ring, it's a tool for harmony and confidence in life's journey. Alukaran Rudraksh silver chains and bracelets, sacred energy, daily peace. Our biz hallmarked silver Rudraksh jewelry brings together tradition and tranquility. Rudraksh beads are believed to calm the mind, reduce stress, and regulate blood pressure. Combined with silver, they enhance spiritual grounding, emotional clarity, and provide a deep sense of peace and protection, perfect for everyday wear or meditation. Alukaran red sandalwood silver chains and bracelets, inner strength, natural calm. Red sandalwood is known for its power to soothe anxiety, enhance focus, and promote inner peace. When paired with biz hallmarked silver, these chains and bracelets offer a calming presence that supports emotional healing, clarity, and energetic protection. Ideal for spiritual practice, deep work, or simply finding balance in a busy world. Alukaran offers international delivery and a buyback guarantee at today's silver market value. Every piece, whether anklets, belly chains, rings, or spiritual bracelets, is crafted with biz hallmarked silver and infused with tradition, purity, and healing. Our jewelry is designed not just to shine, but to support your health, balance your energy, and nurture your daily life. If you've experienced any changes, felt benefits, or had any personal experiences while wearing silver ornaments, please share your comments below the video.